Hello students, welcome to the classes on QABD. We have been working out problems on median. In this session also we are going to work out a problem on median. Let's look into this question. Compute median for the following data. They have given a table with two rows. The first one is mid value and the second one frequency. See, instead of class intervals, they have given mid values. This is a continuous series distribution. Don't confuse with discrete series because you will not find class intervals here, but it is mid value. ಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ನೇ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ while looking at the questions. So mid values and frequencies of a continuous series distribution is given. In the process of calculating median, first thing we have to convert these mid values into class intervals. How do we do that? First thing, find the difference between mid values. Find the difference between each of the mid values. If you see 5, 15, there is a difference of 10. Again 15 to 25, there is a difference of 10. 25 to 35, again 10 difference. 35 to 45 also 10 difference. 45 to 55, again there is a difference of 10. 55 to 65 also you are having a difference of 10. And 65 to 75 also you have a difference of 10. Once you got the difference between mid values, divide that difference by 2. Difference in mid values divided by 2. That means here difference in mid values is 10. When you divide that by 2, you will get 5. So what we have done? We have just find out the differences between mid values and we have divided it by 2. After dividing, you should generate class intervals. Let us say for the first class, mid value is 5. When mid value is 5, you have to subtract the difference here, subtract the correcting factor to get lower class limit. Add that one to get upper class limit. That means 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So the class interval is from 0 to 10. First class is 0 to 10. See? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let us take the second mid value, that is 15. So 15 for the second mid value, you should take this correction factor. Difference between mid values by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, that should be subtracted once to get lower limit, added once to get upper limit. So 15 minus 5, that will be 10. 15 plus 5, that will be 20. So the class interval is 10 to 20. In the same manner, you take 25. 25 ಇಂದ ಈ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 25 ಮೈನಸ್ 5, ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 20. 25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 is 30. So continue this process for all the mid values. If it is 35, 5 less ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30, 5 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40. So the class interval is 30 to 40. And for 45, if you subtract 5, that should be 40. If you add 5, that should be 50. So 40 to 50. And for 55, if you subtract 5, that will be 50. If you add 5, that will be 60. So do you understand the computation of class intervals? Mid values ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ how do you convert that into class intervals? First find out the difference between mid values, divide the difference by 2, that correction factor is subtracted once to the mid value to get lower class limit. If you add that to the mid value, you will get upper class limit. Difference between the mid values ಅನ್ನು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 5, 10, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 75 minus 65 you will get 10, 65 minus 55 10, 55 minus 45 10. So all the differences between all the mid values is equal. You are having 10, and that 10 divided by 2, divide the 10 by 2, you will get 5. This is correction factor. This correction factor should be subtracted from the mid value to get lower limit, added to the mid value to get upper limit. Suppose if you subtract 5 minus 5, you will get 0. 5 plus 5, you will get 10. So 0 to 10 will be your class interval. Here 15 minus 5, that is 10. 15 plus 5 is 20. So the class interval is 10 to 20. So ಈ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. So let us proceed to the solution now. Mid values ge 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. So class interval is 0 to 10. 15 minus 5 is 10, 15 plus 5 is 20, so 10 to 20. So if you continue in the same manner, you will get all these class intervals, and the frequency is taken as it is from the question. 7, 10, 15, 17, 18, 4, 6, 7. There is no change in the frequencies. You have taken the frequencies as it is. Then you are doing the cumulative frequencies. First frequency and cumulative frequency will be same, 7. Then 7 plus 10, it will become 17. 17 plus 5, it will be 32. 32 plus 17, that should be 49. 49 plus 8, 57. 57 plus 4, 61. 61 plus 6, 67. 67 plus 7, 74. So we have done the cumulative frequencies. Now you should add the frequencies total, that will be n. N equals to 74. After finding cumulative frequencies and adding the total of frequencies, you should find the size of the median. Size of the median is found by using n by 2. The value of n is the total of the frequencies, that is n. So n by 2 means 74 by 2, that means 37. Now you should find out in which class interval this 37 is finding. First cumulative frequencies ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 17 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 37 ಇಲ್ಲ, 32 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 37 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 49 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 37, yes. This is your median class. This is your median class. Now L, the lower class limit. L is the lower class limit, that is 30. L equals to 30. L equals to 30. Then N is 74. We have F, frequency of median class, that is 17. F is 17. Then the difference between 30 and 40, the width of the class, that is 10. Then cumulative frequency above the median class. Cumulative frequency above the median class, that is CF equals to 32. So when you have all this data, you can just apply the formula for median. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into C. L is the lower limit of median class. Median class in a lower limit, that is 30. So you have taken 30. Then n by 2 is 74 by 2, that is 37. So 37 we have taken. Minus CF is the cumulative frequency just above the median class. Median class ge just above row alliruvantaha cumulative frequency, that is 32. So that is also taken. Divided by F, frequency of median class. Median class in a frequency, that is 17. So take the 17 into C. C is the difference between upper and lower class limits, that is the width of the class. So 40 minus 30, that should be 10. So 10. Once you applied all the figures for the median formula, just solve it. 37 minus 32 is 5 divided by 17. 30 ಗೆ 30 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 37 minus 32, that is 5 by 17 into 10. Then if you multiply 5 into 10, that is 50 by 17. So 50 by 17, if you divide, you will get 2.94. So 30 will be same. 30 plus 2.94, that should be 32.94 should be your median. So that's how you compute median for a continuous series of distribution. And you should be very careful when mid values are given, you should convert that into class intervals and then you have to proceed for computation of median.